Hello friends, today I will show you what I made in school. I made my name, Umar, and I made tic-tac-toe. We can play like this, X and 0. And I made this box for my plant. We are going to plant a raspberry plant and a tomato plant. So let's start. Hei vennene. I dag skal jeg vise dere hva min bror har lagt. Han har lagt den på skolen, og den er hans navn, Umar. Og han har lagt det som tic-tac-toe-spill, så vi kan bare spille på det. Tic-tac-toe. Se. Og en planteboks som jeg skal plante, bringebærplante og en tomatplante. So, skal vi begynne. First, we are going to place plastic in the plant box, and after that, we are going to put soil. Først må du ta plast inn i den, og så må du putte litt jord. We are going to put soil. Nå skal vi putte litt jord. Vi skal putte halv boks. We are going to put half box of soil. Put soil. Cover this plant with 2-inch soil. Ta jord på din plante. Den er stor av hente. The plant was grown from the seed. I gave liquid fertilizer to my plant. Now place the plant in a shade for 1 day. This is an indoor plant, so I don't give water directly in the soil. Rather, I use this I bought from Rusta. You can give the water through this to prevent from fungus gnat, a kind of flies. Now we are going to plant a raspberry plant. So put soil. Nå må vi plante bringebær. Putte litt jord. I am rooting the plant in the bottom so that it can suck water from the bottom easily. Vi må plante i bunnen slik at den tar vann fra bunnen. Nå er vi ferdige med plantingen og holder planten i skyggen i 1 dag. Now we are done with planting and keep the plants in shade for 1 day. Bye for now. Ha det!